Earn as much money as you want for as many times as you want, even without having your own camera. No expertise and experience is needed. All you have to do is click on these photos and click on the download button. And just like that, boom, you'll get paid through this website available worldwide. Yes, you who is currently watching. You can also do it and earn money online. This is actually a great way to earn because you won't have to report to anyone and you'll have all the freedom you want that I'll be showing you, which is Crello.com. And what this is, as you can see from the homepage, is a designer website. You can come here and then use the thousands of templates that this site has to offer, such as designing an Instagram post, an Instagram story, and so on. So yep, it is basically a website for designers. But what if you don't have any design experience? To begin, let me confidently say that you do not need to be a qualified or professional designer to do this job. To be able to perform this, you literally don't need any expertise. And you'll soon find out that this is extremely simple, and the entire technique is extremely straightforward as promised. Anyone can do this and generate income. All you have to do is follow the instructions in this tutorial. To first get on this site, the first thing that you should do is sign up by clicking the sign up icon in the upper right corner. And just to add up, this is a completely free platform, which means that you do not need to invest in anything. It is worth noting though that they do have certain price plans, so if you want to use them in the long term, you will have to pay them when the trial period ends. But it won't be a problem because of the amount of money you'll be able to make using this website. Anyway, you'll be led to this website to sign up, and you can do so by connecting your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts with Crello, or you can simply choose to sign up via email and enter your email address and password in these two boxes. Then click on sign up, and you're done. Congratulations, you just completed the process. You will be able to now see and utilize all of these templates once you've logged in. They feature anything from Instagram stories and post templates to YouTube thumbnails and Facebook posts. As mentioned earlier, there is something special about this website, as it is a website for designers. As I mentioned at the beginning, if you do have even basic design skills, you can utilize this platform to create YouTube thumbnails, which can earn you a lot of money in the long run. Thumbnails, on the other hand, will not be covered in this video because they require design abilities to create, but you can design the rest. And this platform doesn't require any special expertise because, as you can see, the templates are essentially done for you. All you have to do now is modify them according to your customer's preferences. And that's it. Being compensated is just as simple and straightforward as that. Here is what the website's editor looks like. This is, without a doubt, the best aspect of this platform, as we know. Good templates are useless if you can't even alter or edit them correctly, or if the editor isn't up to par. And in terms of this platform, the editor is great, to say the least. You can modify the backdrop, colors, and of course the text's positioning, size, and font. You can of course type whatever you'd want. Now that you already have an idea of what Crello is, let us get started. But how will you be compensated? Allow me to demonstrate the platform from where you will be paid. The platform in question is Latium.org, which you can see right now. And for the uninitiated, this site is a freelancing platform where ordinary individuals like you and me come to sell our talents, such as transcription, graphic design, poster design, and many, many more. What I need you to do right now is to go on this site and register. Since we're not going to be paying anyone, and since we will be the ones to sell our services, you will want to click on the I Want to Work Here button. You'll be led to another page where you'll need to enter your email address. And once you've done so, simply click on I'm Not a Robot and then sign up. You'll then be prompted to input other information about yourself, such as your first and last names, as well as a password. Once you've entered all of that information, you'll be able to sign up. After you've completed the registration process, this is how it will all look. And now, by clicking on the Browse button here, you can browse through other projects. On the following page, on the left side of the screen, you will see all of these categories. However, since we're here to get paid for the design, you'll want to move straight to the graphics and design category. From there, you will see people that are willing to pay a lot of money for a variety of things or services. In this case, a logo design might cost up to $30. Let's continue with this example only to demonstrate how quickly you can make one with Crello. All you have to do now is head back to Crello.com and type the word logo into the search field, and the platform will now present you with hundreds of ready-to-use logos. Keep in mind that a designer would ordinarily have to create a logo from scratch in this instance, but all thanks to Crello, you already have a logo designed for you. All you have to do now is choose one of these, and which one you choose will depend on what your customer wants from you. When you open a logo, all you have to do is alter the text to satisfy your style. If you download it and then email it back to the customer online, you could make $30 to $40 for around a couple of minutes of work that isn't even hard to do. Remember that the logo design I chose as an example will earn you a small amount of money. But don't worry though, because you can earn a lot more money by designing more. You can literally just repeat the process to earn as much money as you want. You just need to find a client that needs your services. Now, if you want to earn a good amount of money, just follow all of the steps that I said earlier.